Originally came from St John's in Dromore. I was originally doing electrician until I got my results and decided I didn't want to do electrician, and decided sport was the course for me because I enjoyed PE that much in St John's that I decided to change and go to sport. I thought the right decision. Yeah, I'm studying level 3 sports science in the tech, and I think it's great, and in my involvement in sports extremely helped because I can quite relate to everything, and I can relate what I've learned in the classroom to my sport and how to improve my sport. I find the course is great, and there's many of units I enjoy, the nutrition and the field and lab-based testing, the fitness testing. They're all very relatable subjects that I could relate to outside of the course, and it has helped me benefit outside in my actual sport. The facilities in the college are phenomenal. They allow me to do any of my fitness tests or anything. We've got a great gym in here. Next is I got an offer for physiotherapy in the McGee campus in Derry, and I'm hoping to continue down that path